హలో న్యూట్రీ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు న్యూట్రీవర్స్ అకాడమీ. సో ప్రీవియస్గా మనము నానో టెక్నాలజీ గురించి, పొటెన్షియల్ యూజ్ అండ్ స్కోప్ గురించి డీటెయిల్డ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాము. సో నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ నానో ఎమల్షన్స్. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ డైవ్ ఇన్. So firstly you need to know what is meant by emulsion. So as you know, emulsion is a mixture of two immiscible liquids, right? Do you know oil in water or water in oil? That is an example of emulsion. That means the one droplet will disperse into another droplet. Okay, so that means one tiny droplet dispersed into another droplet, which is stabilized by emulsifying agent to prevent from separation. As you know, the better example is oil in water or water in oil, in which those two immiscible liquids doesn't collapse or doesn't mix up, right? So for that we are using emulsifying agent, and just simply we known as emulsion. Okay, so what does this emulsion and this nano will do? The same process will be the definition, but here we are using nano with the range of 20 to 200 nanometers. With the range of 20 to 200 nanometers. 20 to 200 nanometers with high pressure and homogenization. With high pressure and homogenization within the range of 20 to 200, the nano emulsions were there. That means they came into the light. Okay, so the main definition of the nano emulsions goes like this: the droplet dispersed from one droplet to another droplet, which is made by high pressure and homogenization within the range of 20 to 200 nanometers, is called nano emulsions. Okay, it's called nano emulsion. Simply ఒక చిన్న డ్రాప్లెట్ని మనము ఆయిల్ని, ఒక చిన్న డ్రాప్లెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆయిల్ని వాటర్లో వేస్తే అది మిజిబుల్ కాదు. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ డజంట్ జాయిన్ ఆర్ డజంట్ immaculate in that. So that is why it is called immiscible, right? So that the mixture of two immiscible liquids is called emulsions. Okay, so if we are giving in the nanotech, we are including nanotechnology, that means we are using high pressure and homogenization within the range of 20 to 200 nanometers is known as nano emulsions. Simplified definition. So this is a very simplified definition, and I already said the definition also. So if you want, please note it. And the key structure or the key features of this nanotechnology is, I'll write here. So the key characteristics of these nano emulsions is stability. Okay, why? Because we are using emulsifying agent, right? In previous definition also we have used to stabilize, we are using emulsifying agent. To stabilize the emulsion we are using emulsifying agent. So that's why the key characteristic of nano emulsion is to stabilize or to stability, and it is obviously a small size, and it is a transparency. Okay, it is a transparency. So the key characteristic of nano emulsions is stability, small size and transparency. And in where these nano emulsions were used? Generally in the applications of, so you have to write the definition and then a key characteristic and next the applications. So keep like this, the heading should be goes like this during answers, writing of answers. Okay, so the applications these nano emulsions are used, or applications are used in medicine, medical industry, food industry. Obviously food industry మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా పెట్టాలి, because we are nutrition students or food science students. And next is agricultural industry, and next is cosmetical industry. Okay, so the nano emulsions are used in medicinal, food industry, agricultural industry, and cosmetical industry. For what? For what? For solubility, for solubility, for bioavailability, for bioavailability, and next is for penetration. So it is just like matching the following. See, I'll show you the simple method to remember this. For medicinal, we can use solubility, right? That means while this drug delivery, some drugs have poor solubility, right? For that we are using this nano emulsions to solubilize, or okay, to solubilize we are using these nano emulsions in the medicinal industry. So simply we can remember na, solubility is for medicinal, for improvising the solubility. Okay, next for food industry, for food industry also we are using nutrient delivery. The main theme of in the food industry is to deliver nutrients, vitamins, flavors, fat soluble vitamins. For what? For bioavailability improvement. For what? For bioavailability improvement. So generally in the food industry, how we for what case we are using? For nutrients, for vitamins, for flavors, and for fat soluble vitamins to improve the whole food product, right? So for bioavailability improvement, we are using nano emulsions in food industry. So you can write the nano emulsions are used in food industry to improve bioavailability of nutrients, vitamins, flavors, fat soluble vitamins for proper delivery. Okay, for proper delivery. So these are some type of sentence you need to do, keep it. If you remember like this, then you can easily form the sentence. As the MSc students or BSc students, you are well known for English. Okay, and next is agriculture. For better penetration, for better penetration into the soil, we are using fertilizers. For better penetration of fertilizers and pesticides, nano emulsions are used in agriculture and industry into the soil or into the roots of the plant. So for better penetration of fertilizers and pesticides. So how you have to write? Nano emulsions are used in agriculture industry for better penetration or deep penetration of fertilizers and pesticides in plants or in the soil. So like that you can write. And for the cosmetics, so as you know, for delivery of nutrients or vitamins, whichever it is, as we already spoken in nanotechnology. Simply this nano emulsions, nano sensors, nano coatings, these are all the kids of this nanotechnology. Okay, these are all kids, childrens of the nanotechnology. Okay, so as you know, why nano emulsions are used to delivery into the better absorption, better enhancement, better effectiveness of the skin, and also having anti-aging property. Okay, for example, for moisturizers, creams, for addition of vitamins and for the addition of antioxidants in that products, these nano emulsions are used. Okay, so these are some applications of the nano emulsions which are used by some industries. If you know nanotechnology, then you will know the nano emulsions. So please, if you didn't watch nanotechnology, please go and watch, which is I already posted in the channel. And these are about nano emulsions. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please comment below and don't forget to bell icon for further videos. Thank you everyone.